Whether you want to relax in the Mushroom Kingdom with Mario or take to the wilds with Link, this Nintendo Switch is the perfect gaming companion thanks to its flexible playability. With TV mode, you can connect the Switch to your TV and enjoy HD gaming. Perfect for hosting games nights, you can play multiplayer games with your friends and family on the big screen. Tabletop mode allows you to share the screen with a friend. Simply prop up the stand at the back of the console and use the two Joy-Cons to play games competitively and cooperatively. Handheld mode allows you to explore games worlds wherever you are. Simply attach the Joy-Cons to the screen to enjoy a powerful portable games console, which will make long journeys or work commutes fun. If you're looking to settle disputes on the racetrack with Mario Kart or save the world with Zelda, then look no further than the Nintendo Switch, a games console for the entire family to enjoy.